Hello, my name is Kasha Samal. I'm the American Indian Resource Center librarian for LA County Library. This is our third installment of our Native American Heritage Month book talks for 2022. These book talks highlight resources that have Native Americans as their focus. You can access these materials with your LA County Library card or by visiting the American Indian Resource Center located in Huntington Park Library. Today, we're sharing a book called Winter Counts by David Heska Wanblee Wyden, published by Echo, an imprint of HarperCollins Publishers. This book is recommended for an adult audience for its mature content such as drugs, violence, and sexual abuse. David Heska Wanblee Wyden lives in Colorado and is an enrolled citizen of the Sicangu Lakota Nation. He has a Master's of Fine Arts, a law degree, and a PhD. He is a professor of Native American Studies and Political Science, as well as a Master of Fine Arts faculty. Winter Counts is Wyden's debut novel and has won many literary awards. Wyden also publishes nonfiction and short stories. Winter Counts follows Virgil Wounded Horse, a Lakota man tired of all the injustice happening on the Rosebud Reservation. In addition to his odd jobs, Virgil is a vigilante for hire, helping his community find revenge when the legal system fails. When Virgil's 14-year-old nephew, Nathan, is hospitalized due to a drug overdose, Virgil decides to find the person responsible for bringing hard drugs onto his reservation. During his investigation, Virgil reconnects with his ex-girlfriend Marie and is forced to take her along to Denver to complete his mission. It isn't until both find out that there are other larger and scary powers involved when Virgil's nephew is taken in for drug possession. Can Virgil stop the drugs from entering his community, save his nephew, and continue his romance with his ex-girlfriend all at the same time while battling with Native identity issues? Pick up this exciting thriller novel to find out. You can request Winter Counts from your local library, download our reader's guide for more discussion questions, read-alikes, and resources. Thanks for joining us for the third week of our Native American Heritage Month book talks. Tune in next week for our last recommendation of the series.